Timeless brown tones for 2025. Must-have aesthetic colors for modern home interior design. In 2025, brown tones are making a triumphant return, re-establishing their place as a cornerstone of modern interior design. These hues bring a level of warmth, elegance, and comfort that is both timeless and versatile, serving as the perfect backdrop to enhance contemporary living spaces. From the gentle nuances of caramel to the deep intensity of espresso, brown shades offer a spectrum of possibilities that introduce an organic, grounding feel to any home. Whether you're revamping focal decor pieces, painting walls with earthy undertones, or incorporating cozy textiles in various shades of brown, these colors create a harmonious blend of sophistication and relaxation that is hard to emulate with other color palettes. The resurgence of brown in interior decor goes beyond mere aesthetics. It is about cultivating an atmosphere that feels both stylish and nurturing. Brown's inherent versatility makes it an ideal complement to a range of interior styles, from the sleek lines of modern minimalism to the comforting charm of rustic farmhouse and the serene elegance of Japandi aesthetics. When paired with warm lighting, richly textured rugs, and vibrant natural greenery, deep brown accents enhance the overall ambience of a home, ensuring each space feels both refined and inviting. Whether you're designing a bohemian-inspired retreat or aiming for a modern organic environment, brown shades integrate seamlessly with a variety of materials, adding depth and character to your living spaces. As we move further into the design landscape of 2025, brown is reaffirmed as a must-have color for those seeking a timeless yet contemporary aesthetic. The richness of brown tones, when applied to furniture pieces, statement walls, or layered textiles, helps create a soothing and welcoming atmosphere that invites tranquility and comfort. Opting for this color palette means investing in a classic choice that transcends fleeting trends, ensuring your home remains stylish and comforting for years to come. Brown shades have the unique ability to redefine interiors with their cozy sophistication, transforming ordinary houses into havens of warmth and beauty. Embracing the beauty of brown in your design scheme allows you to effortlessly bridge the gap between modernity and tradition, bringing a sense of timelessness to your home. The association of brown with nature and earth adds an element of sustainability and mindfulness to decor choices, emphasizing a connection with the natural world. By incorporating materials such as wood, rattan, and linen, brown tones help cultivate an environment that feels not only aesthetically pleasing, but also environmentally conscious. In a world that often feels chaotic and fast-paced, brown provides a comforting, calming refuge, inviting you to relax and unwind within the familiarity of your own home. Furthermore, the adaptability of brown hues offers endless possibilities for personalization and differentiation. Whether used as the primary theme or an accent, these shades can be tailored to suit individual preferences, allowing homeowners to express their unique tastes and personalities. From the plush richness of chocolate tones in a luxurious living room to the understated elegance of taupe in a serene bedroom setting, brown caters to a wide array of design visions. By embracing the depth and versatility of brown, you empower your living space with a timeless elegance that remains relevant, adaptable, and effortlessly chic, year after year.